Today on Beer Scientist, we're bottling our Honey Brown Ale. We've let our Honey Brown Ale ferment for 7 more days. It's done fermenting and now it's all ready to bottle. Let's go ahead and get our final gravity. Final gravity will tell us what our alcohol by volume of our beer is. Alright, we can see our final gravity is 1.015. Before we bottle our batch, let's stop by in the kitchen and make a priming sugar bath. Priming sugar bath is 2 cups of water, which I'm boiling right now, 4.5 ounces of priming sugar or corn sugar. This sugar will allow our yeast to eat a little bit more, make some CO2, and carbonate our batch in bottle. So we'll add this sugar to the boiling water, let it boil it for just a minute, then cool it down to 80 degrees so we can add it into the rest of our batch. We've added in our sugar, we're going to let it boil for just a minute. Now be careful because boiling sugar is hot. We're using an ice bath to cool this priming sugar bath down to 80 degrees. Our sugar cooled down to 80 degrees, we're just going to throw it in here. We're going to siphon our batch into our bottling bucket. We're going to siphon it in, which both mixes the batch with this priming sugar, which allows the batch to be fully mixed in with the sugar, allowing all the bottles to be carbonated, not just some. It also brings the batch over to this bucket, which has this wonderful little spigot in the front right there, you can see, which allows us to easily and quickly fill our bottles. Alright, so we take this siphon, just get a few good pumps on it. There we have it. Alright, we'll let this siphon for just a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and we'll come back when it's done. We siphoned our batch into this bottling bucket. We attached our bottling tube to make it easy and quick for us to bottle these beers. Now, we're going to use 2 different types of bottles. We have a 12-ounce bottle, a normal bottle, you know, standard 12-ounce beer. We have a 22-ounce bottle, because sometimes you feel like a bigger beer. So all we do is we stick the bottle in the bottling tube. It takes a few seconds. There you have it. Fill it up to the brim. Get as much in there as possible. Set it to the side. We're going to fill probably about 1.5 cases of 22-ounce bottles, and the rest we're going to fill for 12-ounce bottles. We bottled our batch. We got 16 12-ounce bottles and 18 22-ounce bottles. So all we got to do now is cap it. Take one of these metal caps, use this butterfly capper, just press it on down. There we have it, airtight seal. We'll do that to the rest of the bottles, put it into the pantry, let it carbonate, let it age for about 3 weeks. And this has been the bottling and finishing of our Honey Brown Ale.